Foment is a verb. That means to instigate, stir up, or encourage the development of something, particularly trouble, rebellion, or discord. It often carries a negative connotation, implying the deliberate incitement of unrest or conflict. Origins of foment. Foment comes from the Latin word fomentum, meaning a warm application or to soothe, which derived from fovere, to warm or cherish. In its earliest English usage, it referred to applying warmth or soothing ointments to treat wounds. But over time it took on the metaphorical sense of stirring up or encouraging trouble. How to use foment. Foment is typically used in formal or serious contexts, often related to political, social, or interpersonal unrest. Example, sentences. The leader was accused of trying to foment unrest among the workers. He spread rumors in an attempt to foment distrust within the organization. Their incendiary speeches were designed to foment rebellion. Shout at similar words. Incite, to provoke or stir up, often in a negative way. Agitate, to cause unrest or turbulence. Instigate, to initiate or bring about, often with negative implications. Provoke, to stimulate a strong reaction, often deliberately. Nuances of foment. Negative tone. Foment is rarely neutral. It implies the intentional encouragement of trouble or discord. Deliberate action. It suggests a calculated or purposeful effort to stir up unrest, rather than accidental consequences. Serious contexts, often used in discussions about political uprisings, social movements, or controversial actions. Historical and modern usage. In historical contexts, foment has been used to describe inciting revolutions or rebellions, such as during political uprisings or civil wars. In modern usage, it extends to instigating workplace disputes, social unrest, or even metaphorical trouble in relationships or organizations. The foment versus ferment. While similar in sound and sometimes confused, these words have distinct meanings. Foment, to instigate or incite unrest. Ferment, to undergo or cause a process of transformation or agitation. Literal, as in brewing, or figurative, as in social change. For example, the revolutionary leader sought to foment rebellion, which led to a period of ferment in the nation. Though, in summary, foment is a powerful verb for describing the deliberate instigation of discord or unrest. Its historical roots in physical soothing contrast sharply with its modern usage, which emphasizes agitation and disturbance.